In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make data flow diagrams in Smartdraw. Data flow diagrams are an essential tool for visualizing the flow of information in a system, and Smartdraw offers a robust platform for creating these diagrams with ease. Whether you're mapping out a system for work or study, the steps we're about to cover will guide you through the process from start to finish. First, we'll start by navigating to Smartdraw's website. If you haven't already, make sure you have an account set up so you can save and access your projects. Once you're on the Smartdraw site, look for the option to create a new document. This is your starting point for creating a data flow diagram from scratch. Starting a new document is as simple as a click, and the intuitive design of Smartdraw makes this process straightforward. Next, in the search bar, type Data Flow Diagram. Smartdraw will then display a list of options and templates specifically designed for creating data flow diagrams. Choose the one that best suits your project needs. Templates are incredibly useful because they provide a foundational structure that can save you significant time and effort, especially if you're new to data flow diagrams. Once you've located a template that fits your requirements, you'll want to click on it to open up an example template. This is where you can see Smartdraw's pre-designed elements and begin customizing them to match the specifics of your project. With the example open, feel free to explore the different tools and features provided by Smartdraw. You'll find various editing options that can help you tailor your diagram to fit your system's needs precisely. Now, direct your attention to the Symbols option within Smartdraw's tools. Clicking on Symbols leads you to a variety of items that you can use to illustrate the different components and processes within your system. In the Symbols section, look for the Data Flow Diagram subset. This section contains all the standardized symbols you might need, such as those representing data stores, processes, data flow arrows, and external entities, which are crucial for building a coherent and accurate diagram. From here, select and drag the symbols you need onto your working canvas. The drag and drop functionality makes adding symbols a breeze. As you place each symbol, you can connect them using arrows, thereby visually representing the direction of data flow between elements. Smartdraw makes connecting symbols straightforward, with snapping features that align your arrows cleanly. Remember, as you build your diagram, take a moment to ensure each symbol is properly labeled and corresponds to the actual elements or processes in your system. Proper labeling is vital as it enhances the readability and effectiveness of your diagram, making it more informative and actionable for those who view it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to creating an effective and professional data flow diagram using Smartdraw. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy diagramming!